Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the CoinMarketCap application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueStacks website, from which you can click on the download button to download the BlueStacks installer. Now, once it is downloaded, you can simply tap on the installer and then click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator. Now, once the emulator is installed, you can go ahead and open it up and you will be able to access your Android home screen. Now, tap on the Google Play Store application and then you will need to log into your Google account first. Go ahead and log into your Google account and you can tap on the search box and then search for the CoinMarketCap application. Once you find the application, you will find the install button. So go ahead and tap on it, and this will begin the download and installation of the CoinMarketCap application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you can tap on the open button to open up the application and start using it right away. You will also find the application shortcut on your desktop once the installation is completed. And now you can simply open up the CoinMarketCap application from your desktop to start using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the CoinMarketCap application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.